Hi everybody, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Alhamdulillah, I am good. I was so busy. I was super busy. I couldn't do any video. But I managed to do. I know it's too late, but I managed to do tiny bits of a day with my family, and some of the time, little time with my sister-in-law and her beautiful kids. I hope you guys gonna enjoy it. But inshallah, next video will be my holiday. So see you. Bye. So look at this. This is my brother. He's having Turkish, but I think
This is for the whole family.
and this is mashallah. My husband, I think he finished one corner of there. Good food. Mashallah.
এটা কোন ঠিক আছে তুমি আমার ঠিক আছে না আমরা ঠিক আছে মাথা ট্রাই করতে পারি
He's resting for a little bit. He's trying to.
Everyone wishing they never had those bread.
Mashallah, everyone.
That bread.
Nose plate.
Lamb
Look at
plate.
one. This is mine. I am in diet, guys. I don't need too much food now. I eat salad. So everybody, I think my husband is dinner, mashallah.
Which was the lamb? No,
My brother
touch it. Yeah.
still food in his plate. So today's winner is my husband. Eid Mubarak to everybody.
Mommy says that. Picture.
How to me, mommy? Don't worry. Picture it. More picture it. I'm not taking any face. I can't even like it.